Welcome to a new era of precision and clarity in baghouse management. In today's dynamic industrial landscape, understanding the true cost of maintaining your baghouse is paramount.
Which is why we would like to introduce to you Menardi's Total Cost of Ownership Calculator, the tool that revolutionizes the way you perceive and manage your baghouse expenses.
First and foremost, let's talk about comprehensive financial insight. Menardi's TCO Calculator doesn't just scratch the surface. It delves into your baghouse expenses.
That's right, Carla. Our TCO calculator is not only considering the initial investment, but it is also factoring in ongoing operational maintenance costs, so it provides a 360-degree view of the financial impact over your equipment's entire lifespan. You have to start thinking beyond the dollars spent initially, and instead understand the entire financial landscape. Menardi's TCO calculator empowers you with a thorough and accurate assessment, allowing you to make decisions with confidence.
That is so true, Anton. Informed decision-making is the cornerstone of efficient baghouse management. With precise data at your fingertips, you can bid farewell to guesswork and embrace strategic planning. Knowing the true expenses associated with your baghouse enables you to align your choices with short-term budget constraints and long-term operational goals. Menardi's TCO calculator is not just a tool, it's your compass for navigating the complex landscape of baghouse maintenance.
Carla, you're absolutely correct. And here's where Menardi's Total Cost of Ownership analysis truly shines. Tailored strategies for efficiency. It doesn't just stop at revealing costs. It guides you towards cost-effective measures that enhances overall operational efficiency. When identifying areas for improvement, Menardi's TCO calculator becomes your trusted advisor. It paves the way for cost-effective measures.
So say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to clarity by using Menardi's Total Cost of Ownership calculator, where precision meets efficiency and informed decision-making becomes the norm.
I think we covered all we needed to talk about.
One more thing, Anton. Visit our website to sign up for one of our representatives to conduct a baghouse evaluation using the TCO calculator. Now that's it for today. Thanks for watching.